Hey there, fellow shoppers and savvy savers. Today, we're diving into a common query: how to pay your Amazon Prime Visa without needing a Chase account. Whether you're new to this or just looking for alternatives, I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step instructions. Let's get started. First off, if you have an Amazon Prime Visa, you know it's a Chase-issued card, but you don't always need to log into Chase to handle payments. The good news is, Amazon makes it pretty straightforward. Start by logging into your Amazon account on their website or app. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts and Lists section, usually found in the top right corner. Next, click on Your Payments or Manage Your Credit Card. Here, you might see an option for your Amazon Prime Visa. If it's linked, look for the Billing or Payment section. Now, instead of going through Chase, you can often make a payment directly through Amazon using other methods like a debit card, bank account, or even a different credit card. Just select Make a Payment and choose your preferred option. If that doesn't work, another easy way is to use your bank's online bill pay service. Most banks let you set up Amazon as a payee. Simply add Chase Bank or the exact billing address from your statement as the recipient and schedule the payment. This way, you're bypassing the Chase portal entirely. For those who prefer old-school methods, you can mail a check directly to the address on your billing statement. Make sure to include your account number so it gets applied correctly. And remember, always double-check the due date to avoid any late fees. One more tip. If you're setting up autopay, try linking it through Amazon or your bank for seamless future payments. It's all about making your life easier. There you have it. Paying your Amazon Prime Visa without a Chase account is totally doable. Give these steps a try, and if you run into any issues, Amazon's customer service is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. See you next time.